Hi guys, I am finally back to start working on this Tapestry Rose journal. I have these placemats that I found, and I've taken one apart so that to see if it would work, and it is just the right size for an envelope journal cover. Perfect. So I'm still debating whether I want to use the green as the lining, but I'll decide that. Anyway, I know I want to do the soft cover for this, and I'm going to be using the Artymaze kit that is Precious Moments, and I just love this kit. It's got a lot of vintage. There's the red roses, and yeah, very much my style. And so I'll be using this kit to make the journal. It's got a lot of ephemera. There's envelopes and inserts, beautiful, beautiful images. Some, I guess that could be a booklet, but I'll probably cut it apart. Some more little journal cards. There's another envelope. There's some postcards. Just really pretty tags, mason jars, some really big tags, and then there's lots of things. Now I printed some of these out, two on a page so that I could get a smaller images, and I'll be using that for some ephemera. I hope to do a whole series here, start to finish-ish. I haven't done one before, so bear with me. But yeah, so the first thing we're going to start on is the cover. I was waiting for an order of stamps, which I just received, and I am still waiting on ink. I have a couple more things I need to print out. I have the HP Instant Ink, which I love, but I made the mistake of printing out 100 pages in one day, used my entire red ink cartridge, and so I've still got a couple more days before my ink gets here. So, yeah, so we'll start with the cover, and then we'll start working on the pages and get to the ephemera, and yeah, I hope you come along and see how I do it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.